This is Mick with Nexus Property Management, New Haven County. I'm at 50 Saginaw Trail in Guilford, Connecticut. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath condo. We'll start outside with a nice large wraparound deck. Now we'll head inside to the main living space. You'll notice very quickly that it is currently furnished. This unit is not offered furnished. As much as this is all quite stylish, it will be gone. And we'll start here with the bar, right behind your door. High quality materials throughout, slow closing cabinets. Here's that wraparound that we're just on. Brick wall, good accent. Spiral staircase, let's go up it. All right, so this is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, but there's a lot of space in this unit, right? And we see that here in this loft. Nice and warm up here throughout the year. If you're wondering about these stairs, I am 6'2" and just mindful of not hitting my head. Bring us into the kitchen. Nice gray shaker cabinets. Dishwasher, nice deep sink. Stainless steel appliances throughout. Very modern, very nice kitchen. Here's our dining room. Fan above. The flooring here is engineered hardwoods. Nice and soft, nice and durable. Here we are in the bathroom. Again, very modern feel to this unit throughout, including the rain shower head. Get a good view of that. There's our bathroom. Now we'll enter the bedroom. You'll see there are 2 closets. Here's the first, right? And just there you can see the depth of it without us opening. Nice big bedroom. Lots of natural light. Again, there's that second closet. All right. Mentioned earlier that there is a lot of space in this unit, and there is one more thing to show. We went up the staircase earlier. All right, now we can go down. This unit has a second living room. With fireplace, right? Fully functional fireplace. See there, it's wood burning. And garage. Plenty of room for your car, storage along the sides, and your washer and dryer right in the unit. As you can see, right, very new, very much updated. This is 50 Saginaw Trail in Guilford, Connecticut.